ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers a same-day quote on all our repairs. The Sony CRT Monitor is used with industrial CNC tooling machines. After we repair the unit, extra steps are taken to fully document the repair and ensure proper operation for our customers. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.